Imagine entering a world where towering trees stretch endlessly into the sky. Sunlight dances through the green leaves, and the sounds of distant howler monkeys echo through the air. Welcome to Suriname's Amazon rainforest, a natural wonder covering over 90% of the country, making Suriname the most forested nation on earth.
It's about the journey, and the journey is going to be a bumpy one.
At its heart lies the Central Suriname Nature Reserve, a paradise for wildlife lovers. Here jaguars move silently, giant otters play in the rivers, and the jungle hums with life. It's also home to the Valsberg Nature Resort, an adventure destination like no other. Getting there isn't easy. It's an 11-hour journey deep into the rainforest, where rivers become roads and the jungle seems to close in around you. But the reward is unforgettable. Climb the Valsberg, a massive granite dome rising out of the greenery, and witness an endless sea of rainforest stretching to the horizon. After the climb, let the cool waters of the Kapanama River wash away your fatigue. Its rapids act as natural massagers, soothing every tired muscle while you float downstream, surrounded by the pure sounds of nature. This journey isn't just a trip, it's an experience that stays with you. In the heart of the Suriname's rainforest, you won't just see nature, you'll feel it in every step, every breath, and every ripple of the river. In recent years, Suriname's ecotourism scene has flourished, attracting travelers seeking an escape deep into the untouched jungle for a truly off-the-beaten-path adventure. With its vast stretches of unspoiled rainforest, rich biodiversity, and vibrant cultural heritage, Suriname has become a prime destination for sustainable tourism. Perched above the Reservoir, one of the largest human-made lakes in the world, Bronsberg Nature Park offers an unparalleled experience for nature enthusiasts. The park's hiking trails lead adventurers through dense rainforest paths, unveiling hidden gems like the Leo Fallen and the Irene Fallen waterfalls. The hour-long trek to the thick jungle is rewarded with stunning views and the soothing sound of cascading water, making it a must-visit for hikers and nature lovers alike. Suriname isn't just about its breathtaking landscapes, it's also about its people. Visiting the Maroon and Amerindian villages offers a window into traditions preserved for centuries. Here travelers can share stories around the fire, taste traditional dishes, and witness cultural dances passed down through generations. These communities, living in harmony with the rainforest, provide an authentic and enriching cultural experience. For those seeking a true jungle escape, Fredberg Eco Lodge has become a rising star in Suriname's ecotourism scene. Nestled alongside a tranquil river, this lodge offers a unique blend of comfort and immersion in nature. Guests can embark on hour-long hikes through the forest to the majestic Fredberg, a 300-meter high granite rock offering panoramic views of the endless green canopy. Spending the night atop the Fredberg under a sky full of stars, sharing stories and laughter with fellow travelers creates an unforgettable connection with nature and each other. Suriname's ecotourism isn't just a trip, it's a journey into the heart of nature, culture, and adventure. Whether it's hiking to the waterfalls, connecting with indigenous communities, or sleeping atop a mountain under a blanket of stars, Suriname offers an experience that lingers long after you've left its green embrace. If you're seeking an adrenaline-filled adventure, Suriname's wild interior has you covered, with endless unpaved roads, dense Amazonian forests, and winding creeks. Every journey feels like an expedition into the unknown. Suriname's interior is best explored with a 4x4 vehicle, offering an unforgettable off-road experience. Navigate through dense Amazonian rainforests, splash through muddy creeks, and tackle rugged trails that stretches for hours without a hint of civilization. The West Passi Trail, known locally as West Passi, this iconic unpaved road leads adventurers deep into the jungle on an 11-hour expedition. Along the way, you'll encounter Suriname's crown jewel, the Blanchimari Waterfalls, one of the largest and most stunning waterfalls in the country. As a bonus stop, explore the Apura Train Graveyard, a haunting yet fascinating remnant of Suriname's industrial history, surrounded by the jungle's green embrace. For those without a 4x4, local tour operators offer multi-day guided tours, ensuring you won't miss out on these epic experiences. Just a short drive from Paramaribo, the Suriname Savannah offers a stark contrast to the rainforest. With its diverse landscapes and hidden creeks, this area feels like a world of its own. Explore some of the darkest creeks in the world, surrounded by an eerie yet mesmerizing silence. This is a must-do activity in Suriname. You should not dare to skip. Suriname is home to one of the largest man-made lakes in the world, the Reservoir. This vast expanse of water invites you to island hop across submerged hilltops turned into lush islands, kayak through serene waters surrounded by breathtaking views and the calls of exotic birds. You can come across a variety of resorts spread all around this magnificent man-made world wonder, with Matu Island standing out as one of the most well-known island resorts that is available for a weekend getaway. No trip to Suriname is complete without a proper hike. Some must-visit hiking destinations include Ebba. Rising 721 meters into the sky, Ebba stands as the crown jewel of the Van Asvanwijk Mountains. Nestled in Suriname's remote Sipaliwini district, these mountains are unique, with their freestanding peaks scattered like sentinels across the rugged terrain, creating an adventurous playground for thrill seekers and nature lovers alike. Ebba, the tallest and northernmost peak, is more than just a mountain. It's a challenge, a story, and an experience. Its summit offers panoramic views of untouched rainforest stretching endless to the horizon, a reward for those who dare to make the climb. What sets Ebba apart isn't just its natural beauty, but is also claimed to fame as the birthplace of the rock climbing in Suriname. Imagine gripping ancient rock faces, scaling the vertical walls of this imposing peak, and feeling the adrenaline surge as you push yourself to new heights. For adventure enthusiasts, this is more than just a climb. It's a chance to make history on one of the first official climbing routes in this country. If you're looking for a slower-paced adventure, the Boven-Suriname River offers an unforgettable experience. Picture yourself in a wooden boat drifting upstream through endless rainforest landscapes. The river winds through maroon villages where locals greet you in warm smiles and share stories passed down from generations. The journey itself feels magical. The dense jungle surrounds you, colorful birds fly overhead, and every bend in the river reveals a new postcard-perfect view. One highlight is Tapawatra, where the Gran Rio and the Piqui Rio rivers meet, forming one of the most stunning rapids in Suriname. The sound of rushing water fills the air as mist rises from the rocks, creating rainbows in the sunlight. Here you can swim in the natural pools, relax by the water, and simply take in the beauty around you. 4 days on the Boven-Suriname River is a perfect amount of time to truly disconnect, explore, and soak in the magic of Suriname's rainforest. Sometimes the best adventures are the one where you simply let the river lead the way.